stopped or failed, stopped or failed, stopped or failed. Okay, now you write. Finally we will get it. We had to leave the car behind. Is equal to stopped or failed, packed up. Use packed up. Stopped or failed is equal to. If you don't like this job, you may as well pack up. If you don't like this job, you may as well pack up. You may as well pack up. If you don't like this job, you may as well pack up. Pack up means leave it. Pack up means underline it. Pack up means leave it. Pack up means leave it. The crisis or the storm soon passed away. The crisis or the storm soon passed away. Underline passed away. Passed away. Passed away means it has gone. Passed away, underline it. వెళ్ళిపోయిందని. He sat for the exam and passed out. He sat for the exam and passed out. And passed out top with 568 marks out of 600. Harsha sat for the exam and passed out top with 560 marks out of 600. Passed out, underline passed out. Passed out. Passed out. Passed out means got. Passed out. It is not as easy as you think. It is not as easy as you think to patch up their quarrel. Patch up here, preposition places patch up. It is not as easy as you think to patch up their quarrel. It is not as easy as you think to patch up their quarrel. It is not as easy as you think to patch up their quarrel. Patch up means underline it, settle or end it. Settle or end. Bracket lo write it down in bracket. Parenthesis lo write it down. Is equal to settle or end. If you don't pay up, they will take you to court. If you don't pay up, they will take you to court. Pay up. If you don't pay up, if you don't pay up, they will take you to court. Meaning pay them money. Pay them money that you are under some obligation. Or pressure to pay. Or pressure to pay. Pay up means pressure to pay. Pay up means pressure to pay. If you don't pay up, they will take you to court. Is equal to pressure to pay. Pressure to pay is equal to. Who had gone there after dark. Who had gone there after dark, comma, but I could pick out his house easily. Pick out, here pick out. We had gone there after dark, but I could pick out his house easily. I could pick out. Very, very useful. Write down. Phrasal verbs are very, very useful for understanding it out. I could pick out his house easily. Pick out means find. Pick out means find. Pick out means. Next, she could easily pick him out in the crowd. She could easily pick him out in the crowd. Write down. She could easily pick him out in the crowd. She could easily pick him out in the crowd. I have been saying it in 3 times. I am been saying for 3 times, but write down. Take the dictation properly. Okay. She could easily pick him out in the crowd. Pick him out means find. He is quite tall, you know. He is quite tall, you know. Pick him out means finding. Because he is quite tall, you know. She had asked me to pick her up. She had asked me to pick her up. Pick her up here at the beauty parlor on my way back. On my way back. She had asked me to pick her up at the beauty parlor on my way back. నేను వచ్చేటప్పుడు ఆమె తీసుకురమ్మని చెప్పాను బ్యూటీ పార్లర్. She had asked me to pick her up at the beauty parlor on my way back. వచ్చే దారిలో ఆమె బ్యూటీ పార్లర్ తీసుకురమ్మని ఆమె చెప్పింది, అడిగింది. She had asked me means అడిగింది. Meaning pick her means collect also. Or go and get. She had asked me to pick her up at the beauty parlor on my way back. Next, the police have picked up the main suspect. The police have picked up the main suspect. The police have picked up the main suspect. I hear. Found and arrested. Taken into custody. Picked up means here. Phrasal verb gives different meaning. One verb plus, write down. Phrasal verb means verb plus. Phrasal verb means verb plus adverb practical. Write down. Phrasal verb means verb plus adverb particle. Write down. That is grammar. Which you have to use. Here, picked is verb and up is adverb particle. That is here adverb particle. I picked him up outside the town hall. Here, picked is verb and up is adverb particle. Underline it and write down. Picked means V2 and up is adverb particle. And dropped him off in front of the library. Here dropped is verb and OF off is adverb particle. Took him as a passenger. I picked him up outside the town hall and dropped him in front of the library. Dropped him off in front of the library. Took him as a passenger. Collector. Or gave a lift to. Meaning. He liked a girl he saw at the post office. He liked a girl that is here implied. Is generally it is the sentence is he liked a girl that he saw at the post office. But here that is implied. It is in the under meaning. He picked her up. Next. He picked her up. Met her and made her acquaintance deliberately. Met her, right down. Met her and made her meaning. Met her and made her acquaintance deliberately. కావాలని పరిచయం చేసుకున్నాడని. He liked a girl he saw at the post office. Full stop. He picked her up. Meaning met her and made her acquaintance deliberately. కావాలని పరిచయం చేసుకున్నాడు. He speaks French. He picked it up when he was with our Paris office. He picked it up when he was in the Paris. He picked it up when he was in the Paris. Here picked up. Picked up means learned. Learned the language. Learned the language. Casually and without any special study or systematic lessons. Lessons లేకుండా నేర్చుకున్నాడు. He picked it up when he was in Paris. Means casually learning. This shirt I picked it up at sale. This shirt I picked it up at sale. I got it really cheap. Picked it up means here picked up means bought. Quantum era. B-O-U-G-H-T, bought it. B-O-U-G-H-T, bought it. Bought it means picked it up at a sale. I got it really cheap. At last our sales are picking up. At last our sales are picking up. At last our sales are picking up. Here pick is V1 verb, V3 verb and up is adverb particle. Let us pick up. Let us pick up where we left off. 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 Continue, start again. Meaning, pick up means here. Continue, start. Doctor, is that patient picking up? Doctor, comma. He is asking doctor, is that patient picking up? Picking up here means improving. Improving, recovering. Where do you pick up these rumors? Where do you pick up these rumors? Where do you pick up these rumors? Means here pick up means here, hearing, anatom. Here do you pick up, write down, meaning write down. Here pick up means in the sense hearing or getting. In this job I have go around picking up bits of information. In this job, comma, I have to go around picking up bits of information. I have to go around picking up bits of information, news, stories. You are just trying to play down here. You are just trying to play down his part in the decision. Play down. You are just trying to play down his part in the decision. Try to make it appear. Try meaning to try to make it to appear. Try to make it appear. I've been there 3 times. Write down. Don't leave it. Next, keep those magazines away. Keep those magazines away. Keep those magazines away. The boss may pop in. Here may pop in on his way out. Pop in here. P-O-P, pop in, phrasal verb. Pop in. వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు చూస్తాడు. The boss may pop in on his way out. బయటికి వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు చూస్తాడు. On his way out means బయటికి వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు. It was those tablets that pulled him through. Pulled through here. Here phrasal verb pulled. And through is preposition. Here. Pulled plus through. Phrasal verb. It was those tablets that pulled him through. Helped him recover. Meaning helped him. Pulled through means recovering. Recovering from illness. Illness or injury. She was afraid she would fail in the exam. She was afraid she was failed in the exam. She had failed in the exam. But her tutor prepared her thoroughly. and pulled her through. And pulled her through. And pulled her through. Here helped her avoid failing the exam. Helped her avoid failing in the exam. Helped her avoid failing in the exam. Write down now. He has pulled through. He has pulled through. They are discharging him in a day or two. He has pulled through. They are discharging him in a day or two. 1-2 రోజులు హాస్పిటల్లో డిశ్చార్జ్ చేస్తారు. రికవర్డ్ మీన్స్ హియర్ పుల్ త్రూ మీన్స్ రికవర్డ్. రికవర్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఏ సీరియస్ ఇంజరీ ఆర్ ఇల్నెస్. He pulled himself up from the chair. He pulled himself up in the chair and walked to the door. He pulled him up. He pulled him up from the chair and walked to the door. And the chair and laser. Next. He pulled the car up at a petrol station. He pulled the car up at a petrol station. He pulled the car up at a petrol station. Then a car pulled up at the corner. Then a car pulled up at the corner and somebody get out. Here pulled up means stopped. Then a car pulled up at the corner, stopped here. Pulled up means stop. Then a car pulled up at the corner and somebody got out. ఎవరో ఒకతను బయటకు వచ్చాడు. A car pulled up alongside. A car pulled up alongside mine. Means pulled up means ఆగిందని. Pulled up here stopped meaning.